Welcome back to my channel, We're Learning is Fun with Jenny. That's me. Today, kids, we have an awesome experiment. We are going to turn this raw egg into a bouncy ball. How do you do that? Well, we're going to find out. The supplies you'll need is white vinegar, 1 egg, and a glass jar. So what you do, you tip it like this, grab the egg, keep your hand in there, and then there. It's in there. But you can't crack it or the science experiment would be ruined. So now we are going to pour in the vinegar. Okay. It's hard to open. I'm going to have my mom help me. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're going to pour the vinegar in there. You want to make sure the egg is fully covered. We have to wait about 2 to 3 days. We're going to let this egg sit and we're going to check on it tomorrow. It's been 3 days and we're ready to wash off the egg. Woohoo! You'll know it's ready when it looks translucent. Do you want to know how this is all possible? The acid in the vinegar breaks down the shell of the egg. And what you're left with is the soft tissue inside. Let's wash it off! Yay! See, it bounces. That's really cool. Let's see how high we can bounce it before it breaks. Well, kids, I hope you enjoyed this awesome experiment because I did. Remember, kids, don't bounce the egg too high or else it will go splat. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye, kids.